Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah.
The B says b. The C says k. And the D says d.
The E says eh.
And the F says f. The G says g.
And the H says H.
The I says eh.
And the J says J.
The K says k.
And the L says oh, 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 oh.
The M says
And the N says The O says ah, 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 ah.
And the P says
The Q says qua.
And the R says the S says s. And the T says t.
the U says and the B says boo.
The W says what. And the X says x. The Y says yeah.
And the C says and those are all the letters in the factory.
If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound.